We've all had situations where another person was not paying attention, not listening, or taking advantage of us. Meet Mia. Mia's been having a hard time balancing full-time work and being a mom. Her brother Tim recently lost his job and needed a place to stay, so Mia offered to let him stay with her. She hoped Tim would help out with some of the housework and with the kids, but since moving in, Tim has barely gotten off the couch and has made even more work for Mia. Mia is fed up, but she loves her brother and doesn't want to upset him. Occasionally, she asks Tim to pick up his stuff. Tim says he will do it, but he still hasn't. Mia has kept the relationship, but she hasn't gotten her needs met or kept her self-respect. Acting out of anger, Mia throws all of Tim's stuff away. When Tim finds out, he gets very upset, moves out, and says he doesn't want to talk to her anymore. Oh no, Mia. Now you don't have help you want, and you've damaged an important relationship. Let's see if we can fix this using the skill, Dear Man. The first step in Dear Man is to describe the situation. So Mia might say something like, Tim, I let you move in because you're my brother and I love you, but I'm a single mom who needs help around the house. The next step is to express your feelings and opinions about the situation. So Mia might say, I want you to help me around the house and with the kids. Next, assert yourself by directly asking for what you need, want, or don't want. Asserting herself, Mia might say, if you're going to continue living here, I want you to clean up after yourself, pick the kids up from school, and help with the chores around the house. You want to be as specific as possible to make it more likely the person will do exactly what you want them to do. Then, reward the person ahead of time by explaining how this will benefit you and your relationship with them. Mia says, I have been having a really hard time taking care of everything, but with your help, I know I will be much less stressed out. Your help means so much to me. When Mia is doing this, it is important that she stay mindful of her goal and not lose focus. Tim might stay talking about how stressed he's been and how she doesn't understand what he's going through, or may even get angry and start calling her names. But Mia must stay mindful of her goal and getting help and keeping the relationship. It is also important for Mia to appear confident. Finally, Mia needs to negotiate. She might compromise with Tim and say, how about instead of 2 hours of housework a day, you help with 1? Compromising is an important part of being interpersonally effective. Remember to use Dear Man next time you are not getting what you want and need out of your relationships.